Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday US market saw some corrections, but holding up day before yesterday's low level. So, it's such nothing giving negative signal. The yesterday downside was impacted mainly on account of better than expected retail sales over there. The retail sales grew by 1.3% month on month against expectation of 1%, which is putting some pressure on the expectations of that the Fed will be reducing the interest rate increase in the coming period, and also some statement from the regional Fed chief, which was indicating that the Fed may not slow down so immediately. So that has put some pressure on the US market yesterday. Futures are more of a flattish, but Asian markets are indicating a higher decline. Most of the markets are down by almost around 1% plus. So apart from that, if you talk about the Indian market, we had seen good run up in the Indian market in recent past. That too driven by some positive results, and then also the world market, specifically US market, was bouncing back. So we also travel along with them. But considering current situation, the valuation seems a bit aggressive right now. If we talk about current valuation, they are somewhere at around 18.6 times FY24 earning. Whereas if we see pre-COVID levels, wherein the valuations upper end was somewhere around 18.25 to 18.3. So we are already above that level, and as such, not leaving comfort for on the valuation sides on the Nifty. So we feel we need to be very careful at current point of time. Then apart from this, today market may see some softness on account of international trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, looking towards the Asian markets, we believe our Nifty is likely to open with a gap down, and we are likely to witness some profit booking during the day. On the technical front, as of now, Nifty is just trading in the formations of higher tops and higher bottom levels, which gives some sort of a relief sign. But somehow it's facing a very strong resistance at around 18,400 levels. If you look towards on the intraday charts, 18,450, 18,500 is the resistance zone for the Nifty. If it surpasses that level, then only the positive momentum can be seen, which might take a Nifty towards 18,600 to 18,700 levels on the high side. Whereas on the flip side, 18,340 will be the first support level we need to keep eye on it. If 50 breaks that level on the closing basis, then the profit booking is likely to be witnessed, which might take a Nifty towards 18,270 to 18,200 level. So the view will remain cautious as of now, because Nifty is just trading near the resistance levels, and one should book the profits at the higher levels. That's the recommendation we are suggesting to all the clients. Coming towards the Bank Nifty has shown very great momentum in the last two trading sessions. It surpasses 42,500 levels on the closing basis, which gives us some positive sign. Going ahead, the support is first placed at 42,370. When we move above that level, we can witness 42,000 levels and 41,900. Whereas the resistance is placed at 42,700. Any move above that level, we expect a positive momentum to be taken place at around 42,900 to 4,300 levels, 43,000 levels on the higher side. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 18,270 is the first resistance level. Above that level, 18,330, 18,400 levels can be seen. Whereas on downside, 18,140 and 18,070 are the visual support levels we need to keep eye on. The overall view for the short term as of now, we are giving a cautious view as both the indices are trading their resistance zone. So we might witness some profit bookings at the higher levels. So one should uh, hold their long position if they're having, but with the strict stop losses. I think that's it from my end. I request everybody to take a call.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, as per derivatives data front, we are witnessing that there is a bit volatile market currently. As per the PCROI, we are seeing that PCROI is giving a very wild move because if we look at the overall index front, there is not much move from the index front, but the PCROI is on a daily basis is shifting on up and down to 110 to 15 points. So yesterday also PCR closed at 1.14 levels, which was a point 12 point down. So currently PCR is having resistance at 1.15. As I mentioned earlier days also that 1.15 above PCR goes, then only we might witness some positive strength in the market. Yesterday, PCI closed at 1.14. With that, we are seeing that the OI positions at 18,400 and 500 strike Colorado positions got added up. While against that, we are seeing on the downside at 18,200 level put at positions are getting added up. So there is a directly gap of around 200 to 250 points as per the spot levels. So currently, there might be some sort of profit booking in the market today if Nifty goes below 18,350 to 18,300 level. So currently view might be range bound to cautious. So overall positions, if we look at the overall structure, 18,500 will act as important resistance zone. About that, we might witness again a momentum in the market. As per the India Weeks yesterday increased by around 3%. So once if India Weeks goes above 18 level, and at that point of time in Nifty goes below 18,200 level, then the profit booking will increase in the market, and there might be a completely negative sentiment in the market once if Nifty goes below 18,200 level on the downside. So as per the supportive level, 18,200 will act as an important support from the overall OI structure. So hold a long position with the support of 18,200 level, and the once if Nifty comes around 18,480, 500 level, at that point of time you should again short the position and recreate new long positions only above 18,500 level. As per the stock specific and sectoral specific, we expect stock like Lupin, Coforge to show some positive strength in coming days. From the banking front, we expect HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited, these two companies are showing positive strength. That's it on the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. JLR CEO Thierry Bolloré has tendered his resignation for personal reasons. He had joined in September 2020, so barely 2 years out, he is leaving. And the interim CEO will be Adrian Mardell, who has been part of JLR for 32 years. So this is sentimentally negative for JLR. Timken India has announced that they will be setting up a manufacturing facility in Bharuch to manufacture spherical roller bearings and cylindrical roller bearings. They are already manufacturing tapered roller bearings over here, but incrementally this news is positive. And SBI has given similar guidance that yesterday CRISIL gave regarding credit growth. So SBI's corporate loan growth, which was at 18% as on September quarter, they think that by the year end, this will settle at 15% growth, and thereafter, corporate loan growth will continue to grow at 12% CAGR. SME and retail loans are expected to grow at a faster pace. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Yeah. Yeah, apart from this, we are seeing sugar prices internationally moving up very sharply in last 2 weeks. The refined sugar prices, which were at around $490, has moved up to $540. India, which is likely to be surplus in the current year, with almost at around 35.5 million sugar production, even after dilution of sugar of around 4 million to ethanol. So we will be surplus by almost around 7 to 8 million, and the government has allowed already 6 million of exports, and the expectations are that in future, as the things move, the government may further allow export of sugars. So overall, for Indian sugars who had been allotted to uh, export the sugar are likely to benefiting from this. Apart from that, Balrampur Chini has announced that they had commissioned one 320 KLPD distillery plant, and taken the total distillery capacity to now 880 KLPD, and further uh, 170 KLPD plant is likely to be implemented very shortly. So overall capacity will increase somewhere around 1050 KLPD for the Balrampur Chini, and this is starting just at the start of the sugar season. So we'll be having full benefit of these expansions in the coming period. So, though Indian sugar prices are continue to remain more of a flattish at around 35 rupees, but companies are likely to benefit from higher international prices for export, and also depreciating rupee, which will also add up to their earning. And Balrampur Chini is likely to benefit from this expanded capacity, which is just doubling their capacity from around 560 to 1050 in this year. So Balrampur Chini seems comparatively quite positive, and also they had announced some buyback program also. So overall seems for Balrampur Chini, it looks positive for them. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today, the trend should continue. Prices in commodity should witness profit taking, and we may see corrections. Copper, gold can test 52, 600, 52, 500 on lower end. Lower end. One should maintain a SL of 53 to 50, and in silver. Prices are expected to test 61,000, 60,800, and prices should be weak below 62,000, and more weakness could further be witnessed below 61,500. So overall, profit taking is expected, and one should sell and sell on rise. In crude oil, 6900 seems to be an important level, which is holding on closing basis. So if it sustains below 6900, then one can initiate a sell, and prices are expected to test 6800 to 6750 on lower end. So as long as it is holding below 69, one can initiate a sell. Else, pullback can be witnessed again, maybe till 7,000, 7,050. And again, those could be the level where one can initiate a sell. In copper, we feel 680, 678 should be the ideal level for the correction, and one can initiate a sell around 690 with a stop loss of 695. Zinc also, we expect prices to test 268 to 66 on lower end, and one can initiate a sell around 273, 74, maintaining a stop loss of 276. Natural gas prices have opened gapped up, and the rally could continue, and prices can test 525, 530 levels. So one can initiate buy around 500 levels and maintain a stop loss of 488. That's it from me. I'll ask Riya to take over from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, on the currency front, we are seeing quite a volatile open in all the pairs. USD INR has opened at around 81.62 and 81.68 remains a resistance into the pair. A movement above the same would lead the pair towards the highs of 82 and 82.17. Thus, if in the intraday sessions, if the pair moves above the level of 81 0.75, you can go long into the pair for the target of 82 82.17, and you can maintain an SL at around 81.50. In JPY INR also, we are seeing quite a volatile momentum. The pair has opened at around 58.51. The resistance in the pair is placed at 58.54. A momentum of the same, you can go long in the pair for a target of 58.70 and SL at 58.33. Uh, Euro INR and GBP INR is witnessing quite a volatile open, and it has settled at around 84.69. Uh, be cautious of trading into the euro and pound right now. There has been inflation numbers that has come out, and it is on the higher side. We are expecting a stronger stand by the central bank on that front. In the pair, the in the intraday sessions, you can the resistance could be placed at around 80 4.80, which is also the highs of today's session. So if the pairs move above that, it can test the highs of 85, and the support is at 84.50. However, in the intraday sessions, we are expecting a sideways momentum into the Euro INR. In GBP INR, also you could see sideways momentum in today's session within the level of 97.14 and 96.75. That's all on the currency front. Thank you.